Pronouns aren't just words. They are the building blocks to almost every Igbo sentence you will ever speak. So once you understand them, you'll be able to speak freely. So once you understand them, you'll be able to speak Igbo to a very good extent. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand how to use every Igbo pronoun confidently. Let's get in. Hey, welcome back. I am Chinelo, my friends call me Nelo. And this is Learn Igbo with Nelo. This is the home for simple, practical, everyday Igbo that we speak. Your surest Igbo plug. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you found us. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. And if you're back again, you did well. You did great. Welcome back. Today, we are tackling something that shows up in almost every Igbo sentence. Pronouns. Now you already know what pronouns are. Pronouns are words that stand in for names or nouns in sentences. Now, in Igbo, we call pronouns Nnọchiaha. Nnọchiaha. Now, Nnọchi means replacement or stand in place. Okay? Nnọchi. Aha. Aha means name in Igbo. And aha is also noun. Aha is noun, while Nnọchiaha means pronoun. Do you understand it now? Good. So, instead of saying Chinelo, you say she. And I, instead of saying my name Chinelo, I say I or me. Instead of saying Emeka, I say he. Instead of saying Emeka and I say we. Instead of saying Ada and Emeka, I would say they. That's pronoun. Now let's bring it down to Igbo. Now, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that can be used to replace nouns in sentences. In Igbo, we have 6 personal pronouns. 6 personal pronouns. Okay? Now we're going to go through each of them nice and slow. When I mention any one of them, you will repeat it after me. Okay? The first one is I. What's I in Igbo? Is mo. Mobo. Mobo means or. Then you is I. Mobo. I. He, she, or it is o. Mobo o. Isn't that interesting? Only one to stand for 3. That's nice. We in Igbo is Anyị. Anyị. You. That's plural form of you. You all. You is Unu. Them. Them is Ha. Ha. That's good. We use 2 verb phrases for practicing. The first one is Sirincha. Sirincha. What does it mean? In Igbo, si is cook. Siri is cooked. So the past tense of si is siri. Siri. Then ncha is soup. Soup. You know they cook soup, right? saponification. Okay, let's go on. Sirincha. Now we're going to use it for all of those personal pronouns we talked about. Have you seen that you can make a whole lot of sentences? When I say any of the sentences, repeat it after me, okay? Let's go. Sirincha. Sirincha. That means I cooked soup. Sirincha. Sirincha. You cooked soup. Sirincha. Sirincha. That means he cooked soup, she cooked soup, or it cooked soup. It can actually cook, robots can cook these days. Okay, now anyị siri ncha. Anyị siri ncha. We cooked soup. Unu siri ncha. Unu siri ncha. You cooked soup. That's you all, plural form. Ha siri ncha. Ha siri ncha. They cooked soup. Now let's go to the second verb phrase, which is rachara ube. In Igbo, racha is leak. Then rachara means leaked. It's a past tense of it. Okay? Rachara means leaked. Then ube means pear. Here most of them get talking about our African pear. Butter pear, the one we use majorly for taking a corn. Let's go. Racharube. 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 Anyị rachara ube. Anyị rachara ube. Unu rachara ube. Unu rachara ube. Ha rachara ube. Ha rachara ube. Amazing. Now, did you notice that the only difference, all of these sentences, just the pronouns we changed, made a whole lot of sentences. Have you seen it? Once you know your pronouns, you can make sentences. Now, did you notice any difference when I was using the verb phrase Racharube and the other one Sirincha? Did you notice the use of a for you, o for he, she, it? Did you notice? When I was using Sirincha, I said Sirincha. But when I'm using Racharube, I said Racharube. And the same thing here, when I was talking about Sirincha, I said Sirincha. But when we're talking about Racharube, I said Racharube. Why did we interchange it? That at some point we used E, and at some point we used A for you, and then at some point we changed from O to O for he, she, it. Why did we do that? Now, that's going to be a full lesson I'm going to teach next time, okay? It is called Ndakọrịta Ụdaume. Okay, I'm going to teach that next time. So just have that in mind and remind me as well. Okay? You're doing great. Keep showing up. Keep repeating after me. Keep practicing. That's how fluency is built. Thank you so much for learning with me. I'll see you in our next lesson. Okay, Messia.